Hello everyone, today we're checking out the Wonderdriver lockable roof rack crossbars. I'm gonna be installing it in my X-Line Kia Sportage 2023 PHEV, which has a raised roof rails and not the flush rails. This was sent to me by Wonderdriver so I can share my honest review, and as always, all experience and opinions are my own. So let's start with the unboxing. I'll go through each item one by one so you know exactly what's included. First up, we've got the front crossbar, solid aluminum, matte black finish, and it feels really sturdy. Then we got two front base feet made from die-cast aluminum. These are heavy duty and definitely better than the plastic alternatives. Next is the rear crossbar, same build quality and finish as the front. We also have two rear base feet with the same build. For the accessories, we've got 3 spare parts, extra screws and washers, always good to have, 2 Allen keys for tightening the bolts. We also have 2 lock keys for the built-in anti-theft system. And finally, the installation manual, which includes labeled diagrams and directional arrows to help guide the setup. Now let's move on to the installation. I followed the manual step by step, and here's how it went. First, I identified the front and rear bars, so make sure you match them correctly. Then I attached the base feet to each bar using the included screws. The Allen keys made it easy to tighten everything down. Once the feet were secured, I positioned the front bar on the rails, loosen up the top screws, and clamp it on the rails. After that, I repeated the same process for the rear bar. I locked both bars in place using the provided keys and double-checked the installation. Honestly, the whole process took me about 30 to 40 minutes and I didn't need any extra tools. After the installation, I would say it was surprisingly easy. The instructions were clear and the labeled parts made it simple to follow. There's no drilling, no guesswork, just a clean fit. Here's what I really like about this crossbar set. The build quality is pretty good and not cheap. Everything is metal, no plastic base feet. The matte black finish looks premium and matches the Sportage trim perfectly. It's lockable, which adds peace of mind when you're leaving gears on the roof, and it genuinely looks like the Kia OEM crossbars. Now let's talk about driving with the crossbars installed. On regular streets, driving under 65 miles per hour, I didn't hear any noise at all. But once I hit the freeway, I did notice a slight whistling sound coming off from the roof. It's not loud and definitely not a deal breaker, but it's there. Sometimes I hear it, but usually mostly not. That said, it's expected with any roof rack system, and this one does a good job keeping it minimal. To wrap it up, the Wonderdriver crossbars are a solid upgrade for my Kia Sportage. They're easy to install, built like a tank, and they look fantastic like they were made for the car. If you're looking for a secure, stylish, and functional roof rack system, this one's definitely worth checking out. I'll leave a link below if you want to grab a set for yourself. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.